These are cherry pistachio and chocolate biscotti. Absolutely gorgeous, keep for ages. Only meant to be dipped, not meant to be eaten as they are because they'd break your teeth, but they're delicious dipped in a hot chocolate, a coffee, or even a nice sweet wine.
In Italy, a lot of the Christmas treats are designed to last for the whole Christmas period. So these are brilliant to bag up or put in jars to give as gifts because they'll last for quite a long time. So we're going to make some biscotti today, cherry and pistachio biscotti that are absolutely gorgeous, really easy to make. What I've got here is some plain flour, 500 grams. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder to this. And then I'm going to put all my dry ingredients in. I've got 250 grams of caster sugar. I've got 200 grams of pistachios that I've just chopped a little bit just to make them easier to slice later. And I've got 100 grams of dried sour cherries. And then you can add all sorts of extras to this. It's lovely with some chocolate chips as well. I've got some milk chocolate chips. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. Our wet ingredients are 4 eggs and 2 tablespoons of Amaretto liqueur. You can use any liqueur you want, or leave it out if you like. So with soaking wet hands, pick up half of the dough and shape it. Your wet hands will help you to shape it without it getting too sticky. Beautiful golden brown, ready to slice up and then go back in to dry out.
The oven's been turned down to 140. These are going to go back in for about 10 minutes. Then I'll flip them over another 10 minutes till they're nice and dry. That means they'll last for much longer. You can keep them in an airtight container or in a bag. They'll last for at least a month.